Snakes, these enigmatic creatures that have intrigued and frightened humans for centuries, are among the most captivating and misunderstood animals on Earth. With their diverse species, striking appearances, and formidable reputations, snakes hold a unique place in the animal kingdom. This article will delve deep into the world of snakes, exploring their biology, behavior, and the myths and misconceptions surrounding them. By the end, you'll have a newfound appreciation for these remarkable reptiles and their crucial role in ecosystems worldwide. Chapter 1: Evolution and Diversity. 1.1 The Origins of Snakes. To truly appreciate these creatures, we must begin by exploring their evolutionary history. Snakes belong to the order Squamata, which also includes lizards. We'll journey through the snake family tree, uncovering their ancient roots and the remarkable adaptations that make them unique. 1.2 The Global Diversity of Snakes. Snakes can be found on every continent except Antarctica. In this section, we'll take a tour around the world, examining the various snake species that inhabit diverse ecosystems, from the deserts of Australia to the luscious rainforests of South America. Chapter 2: Anatomy and Physiology. 2.1 External Features and Skin. Snakes are renowned for their sleek and often beautifully patterned skin. We'll explore how their skin functions, how they shed it, and the incredible adaptations they've developed for locomotion and survival. 2.2 Venomous versus non-venomous snakes. One of the most crucial distinctions among snakes is whether they are venomous or non-venomous. This section will unravel the secrets behind snake venom, the different types of venom, and the diverse strategies these reptiles employ for hunting and defense. 2.3 Sensory Perception. Snakes possess a fascinating array of sensory adaptations, including heat-sensing pits, infrared vision, and an incredible sense of smell. We'll delve into the sensory world of snakes, shedding light on how these creatures perceive their environment. Chapter 3: Behavior and Ecology. 3.1 Reproduction. From egg-laying to live-bearing, the reproductive strategies of snakes are as diverse as their habitats. We'll explore the various methods of reproduction and the challenges that snake parents face in nurturing their young. 3.2 Feeding and Predation. Snakes are voracious predators, and their diet varies from species to species. This section will examine the hunting techniques, prey preferences, and the vital role snakes play in regulating prey populations. 3.3 Habitats and Adaptations. Whether they're dwelling in arid deserts, dense jungles, or underwater, snakes have evolved numerous adaptations to thrive in their specific environments. We'll discover how snakes have adapted to their surroundings, from the burrowing pythons to the tree-dwelling vipers. Chapter 4: Myths and Misconceptions. 4.1 The Fear Factor. Why are snakes so feared, and what fuels common misconceptions about them? We'll delve into the psychology of snake phobias and explore the roots of these fears. 4.2 Cultural Significance. Throughout history, snakes have held various symbolic meanings in different cultures. We'll examine these cultural associations and how they have influenced human attitudes towards snakes. Chapter 5: Conservation and Threats. 5.1 The Role of Snakes in Ecosystems. Snakes play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. In this section, we'll explore the ecological significance of snakes and their contributions to controlling prey populations. 5.2 Threats to snake populations. Despite their importance, snakes face numerous threats, including habitat loss, illegal trade, and persecution. We'll assess the challenges that these creatures encounter and the efforts being made to conserve them. Chapter 6: Case Studies. 6.1 The King Cobra, Asia's iconic snake. Dive into the world of the king cobra, one of the most renowned and feared snake species. Learn about its behavior, habitat, and conservation status. 6.2 Rattlesnakes, the venomous vipers of the Americas. Explore the lives of rattlesnakes, well known for their rattling tails and potent venom. Discover the unique adaptations and behaviors of these North and Central American reptiles. Chapter 7: Interactions with Humans. 7.1 Snakes in Captivity. Snakes have a significant presence in the pet trade and entertainment industry. We'll examine the ethical considerations surrounding the keeping of snakes as pets and their use in various forms of entertainment. 7.2 Snakebite and antivenom. Snakebites pose a considerable health risk in many parts of the world. This section will explore the global impact of snakebites and the development of antivenom. Chapter 8: The Future of Snakes. 8.1 Conservation Efforts. In this final chapter, we'll discuss ongoing efforts to protect snakes and their habitats. By understanding their importance and the challenges they face, we can work towards a more harmonious coexistence between snakes and humans. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey into the world of snakes, it's evident that these remarkable creatures are more than just deadly predators, they are integral to the ecosystems they inhabit. By dispelling myths and gaining a deeper understanding of their biology and behavior, we can promote coexistence and contribute to the conservation of these captivating and essential animals. In conclusion, while this article provides an in-depth exploration of snakes, there is much more to learn about these enigmatic creatures. The world of snakes. This article delves into the multifaceted reasons behind the perceived danger associated with snakes. From their venomous nature to their aggressive behavior, and the resulting implications for human health and safety, this piece aims to elucidate the factors that make snakes some of the most feared creatures on the planet. Introduction. The fear factor. Analyzing the origins of human fear and fascination with snakes. The portrayal of snakes in myths, folklore, and popular culture. 2. Anatomy and venom. Venomous versus non-venomous snakes. Distinguishing features and characteristics of venomous snakes. Understanding the composition and function of snake venom. Delivery mechanisms. Exploring the diversity of venom delivery mechanisms among different snake species. The intricacies of fang structure and venom injection. 3. Types of snake venom and their effects. Neurotoxic venom. The neurological impact of venom on the human body. Case studies of neurotoxic snakebites and their outcomes. Hemotoxic venom. The effects of hemotoxic venom on blood and tissues. Long-term consequences of hemotoxic envenomation. Cytotoxic venom. Analyzing the cellular effects of cytotoxic venom. The potential complications arising from cytotoxic snakebites. 4. Geographic distribution and impact on human populations. Regions of high snake activity. Mapping the areas where snake encounters and bites are most common. Factors contributing to higher snake densities in specific regions. Health and socioeconomic impacts. Assessing the impact of snake bites on public health and local economies. The socio-cultural implications of living in snake-prone regions. V. Behavioral aggression and defense mechanisms. Aggressive behavior. Understanding the triggers for aggressive behavior in snakes. How territoriality and competition affect snake aggression levels. Defensive strategies. Analyzing the various defensive mechanisms employed by snakes. The role of camouflage, hissing, and threat displays in snake defense. 6. Human-snake conflict and mitigation strategies. Preventive measures. Educating communities on snake identification and avoidance techniques. Implementation of snakebite prevention strategies in at-risk regions. Antivenom production and distribution. Assessing the challenges and advancements in antivenom development. The importance of accessible and effective antivenom distribution networks. 7. Misconceptions and conservation efforts. Cultural and mythical misconceptions. Debunking common myths and superstitions surrounding snakes. Promoting accurate and science-based information to combat misconceptions. Conservation initiatives. Highlighting the importance of snake conservation in maintaining ecosystem balance. Case studies of successful snake conservation programs and their impact on biodiversity. 8. Conclusion. Balancing perception and reality. Emphasizing the need for a balanced understanding of snake danger. Encouraging coexistence and conservation efforts to mitigate human-snake conflicts. 9. References. A comprehensive list of academic sources, research papers, and case studies for further exploration and citation. This outline provides a framework for an in-depth article on the dangers associated with snakes. Each section can be expanded with additional information, case studies, and specific examples to reach your desired word count of 10,000 words. It is crucial to maintain a logical flow and provide credible